Telangana introduced 100% exemption for road tax and registration fee until 31st December 2026 for which type of vehicle? Answer is 3. Electric vehicle. Google Cloud India and which organization launched India's first AI Center for Excellence for Public Good in Visakhapatnam? Answer is 4. Tech Bharat Research Foundation. US signed $8.5 billion critical minerals pact with which country on 20 October to counter China dominance in critical minerals? Answer is 3. Australia. Which US private organization filed a lawsuit against Trump's administration for $100,000 H-1B visa fee? Answer is 2. US Chamber of Commerce. What is the theme for the 2025 World Statistics Day? Answer is 2. Driving change with quality statistics and data for everyone. How many Ramsar sites are there in India as of October 2025? Answer is 2. 93. Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh informed that India has developed its first indigenous antibiotic known as? Answer is 1. Naphthromycin. Who has been appointed as the 9th chairperson to the National Women's Commission in October 2025? Answer is 2. Vijaya Kishore Rahatkar. What is the name of the new India's research station in Antarctica expected to be finished by January 2029? Answer is 2. Matri 2. Who was honored with the prestigious Dadasaheb Phalke Award 2023 at the 71st National Film Awards 2025? Answer is 2. Shri Mohanlal. Which index is introduced by the Ministry of Mines from 2025 to promote mining reforms and sustainable practices? Answer is 1. State Mining Readiness Index. Which of the following is reclassified as major minerals by the Ministry of Mines? Answer is 3. Limestone. Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh informed that India has developed its first indigenous antibiotic known as? Answer is 1. Naphthromycin. Which female compound archer won the first medal for India at the final of 2025 Archery World Cup? Answer is 2. Jyoti Surekha Venam. What state is recently declared as the host of Khelo India University Games 2025? Answer is 1. Rajasthan. What is the value of India's defense exports which reached an all-time high in the financial year 2024 to 2025? Answer is 3. Rupee 23,622 crore. How many births did India register in 2023 according to the Civil Registration System report? Answer is 1. 2.52 crore. India's only active mud volcano, also a part of Andaman and Nicobar Island, is located in? Answer is 1. Baratang Island. Samples collected from Baratang mud volcano dates back to which age? Answer is 2. Oligocene age. What is the name of India's first ever cheetah safari located in Madhya Pradesh? Answer is 3. Kuno National Park. Which festival in Nepal celebrates human-dog companionship and honor dogs' loyalty to humans? Answer is 2. Kukur Tihar Festival. Which day of Diwali is dedicated to worshipping the goddess Lakshmi and lighting diyas? Answer is 3. Day 3. What is the name of India's first very large gas carrier inducted into the fleet of Shipping Corporation of India in September? Answer is 3. VLGC Shivalik. Which state ministers have submitted their resignation to the Chief Minister on 20 October ahead of the cabinet reshuffle? Answer is 3. Gujarat. What is the first and only portal across India to publish official warnings for all disasters from authorized sources? Answer is 3. SACHET. Which country inaugurated the world's first solar thermal power station in Gansu province at the Gobi Desert? Answer is 2. China. Which Japan political party agreed to form coalition government with the ruling Liberal Democratic Party? Answer is 1. Japan Innovation Party. Which country will host the Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation (APEC) Summit 2025? Answer is 2. Gyeongju, South Korea. What is the theme for APEC 2025 hosted by South Korea? Answer is 1. Building a Sustainable Tomorrow. Who won the 2025 Bolivia presidential election ending the 20 years rule of socialism since 2006? Answer is 3. Rodrigo Paz, centrist. Who was sworn in as the president of Madagascar on 17 October after a military coup and Genji protest? Answer is 2. Colonel Michael Randrianirina. What is the youth movement that plays an important role for forming a new government in Madagascar? Answer is 3. Janji Mada.